Yo man, what's up? So today we got a HelloFresh 3-meal unboxing. Now let's get right into it. Okay, first up, we got the oven-baked Parmesan chicken. Oven-baked Parmesan chicken with roasted broccoli and garlic bread. Prep 5 minutes, cook 25 minutes. Calories 680. And add, so we only got 4 steps for this one. I've never seen it. So here's the front. It looks great, but I have never seen a HelloFresh so simple. This seems like the simplest one that there is. Well, it is only 25 minutes, so I guess that makes sense. Wow. Okay, so let's make it. So the first meal is the Parmesan Crusted chicken. It was great. It was good. It wasn't really a gourmet meal, which I think of HelloFresh as you trying to get a gourmet meal at home. This wasn't really a gourmet meal, but it's perfect for those people who are getting the 3 meals a week and don't want to get overwhelmed and just want that simple meal to cook really quick. Because I know that sometimes, HelloFresh is simple and is easy, but it does kind of get overwhelming doing those 3 meals every week. But yeah, so it's easy. I would give this a 7 out of 10 on flavor and a 10 out of 10 on convenience. Now the mushroom tortellini. Mushroom tortellini is great. I give it 9 out of 10 on flavor, but I feel like it's missing something. When I reheated the leftovers, I did cook some local ground up sausage and then toss it in there. That made it perfect, but that's not how it came. So I'm giving once again the overall flavor a 9 out of 10, maybe an 8 out of 10, and the convenience a 8 out of 10. Firecracker meatballs. Alright, firecracker meatballs with roasted green beans and sesame rice. Here's the picture. 6 steps. What am I missing? Prep time 10 minutes. Total time 40 minutes. Calories 70-90. Let's get into it. Next, we got the firecracker meatballs. Firecracker meatballs were amazing. The meatballs themselves were 10 out of 2, but with everything else balanced out, I would say that it's a 9 out of 10 meal. But man, those meatballs are good. They did give me this they gave me Thai chili flakes, which in the instructions didn't say it needed it, but I went ahead and put it in anyways, so that's weird. Food was great, as I said, and I would give the overall convenience of cooking the food probably a 5 out of 10. Prep time took 10 minutes, as it said, but it did not take 40 minutes overall to cook everything. It took me about an hour. I was cooking for 4 people, the 4-meal one, and just by myself, so that may be why, but I don't really think so. So yeah, it took me an hour, so 5 out of 10 on convenience, 9 out of 10 on flavor, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out. My recommendation of the week is those firecracker meatballs. Hope you enjoy. Now get out of here.